Hey, this is Vance with Evans Family Homestead. I'm here with my granddaughter Ellie, and we got some exciting news over the weekend, and we're fixing to share it with you, so stick around for the rest of the video. We rescued some animals Saturday. They were being, how can I put this? Well, they were mistreated. And they weren't getting the food they were needing, the nourishment. They were going to put them down. And we only had a certain amount of time to get them loaded up and get them home. My son's got a holding pen over here. And it's not in the best of spots. It's kind of in the sun, but we have built another fencing area. That's what I've done this morning. I didn't get any footage of it because I was just in a hurry to get it done and didn't have time to really film it. It was just too hot to be out here very long. So but I'm waiting on my son-in-law to get home. I'm gonna go pick up a gate, hopefully 2 gates, and that's all I like, getting this place fenced in. And they'll have plenty of grass over there, plenty of shade, and the 2x4s, the telephone poles are all over here. And I've actually got chicken wire on the other side of the telephone post. Not that that's going to matter any for the animals that I got, but you know, just a little bit more security. But anyway, it's a big area. They got plenty of grass to eat over there, and I'm gonna go pick up a round bale of hay too here in a little bit. But has anybody guessed what we got? Fixing to show you. And then this little fella right here got off on the wrong foot last night. And he's still out. I'll show you here. That's Zeke. Zeke is a zebu miniature, and he's real friendly when you got food. But he don't want to get put back up in the pen, so we're just gonna leave him alone. And got a mama cow right there. It's the mama cow. And they said Zeke was the daddy, the baby calf, from this mama cow. But we don't believe it, because, I mean, look at the size of her, look at the size of him. I don't know. But, there's mama cow. You slobbering? Huh? You got flies all over you. Where's your baby at? I'm not sure where the baby's at. Old Percy going down to the pond. Is that Percy down there? He's gonna go get cooled off. Well, we got a mama pig with some babies. Hey, piggies. What y'all doing? Huh? Y'all sitting in the shade? Huh? Yeah. These were from a petting zoo, so they're pretty tame. And we got a little mud hole here. We're going to put across the road. We're going to put them in there. Put them up there. Trying to see the babies. I haven't seen the babies yet. I don't know where we put the babies. Sweet, man. What are you doing? The duck got stuck. I can't believe they're not in this water. Hey, where'd she put the babies at?
I don't know.
You don't know where the baby pigs are?
I don't. Mom said that she's seen them, but I don't know.
I don't know where she put them. Oh, hey guys. So, exciting news is, laying across the street from us, across from the road that belongs to my wife's aunt and uncle. Unfortunately, her uncle passed away here a while back, and he loved this land over here. He built this big barn, and I think his idea was going to have a family retreat place. And he built a big tree house behind my wife, and he did all this by hand.
Not one power tool.
No power tool, no gas. Everything was done by hand. I still can't believe that he was able to do all that, but he was an amazing man. He will be missed, but fortunately, we were blessed with this place, and we're going to take care of it and love it just like he did. God has really blessed us and come through with it. We've been praying about it, and so yeah, this is the little barn. We need to.
Little.
Yeah.
Are you happy, honey?
Oh, I'm freaking. I think I wet myself a little bit.
I know it's going to take a lot of work, guys, and I know that there's a lot of stuff in here, but
Look at these boards.
you farmers and homesteaders, y'all will see the potential.
Yeah, y'all. Some people don't see the potential, but like we do, but some will. I mean, it's going to take a lot of work.
We got a lot of time. I mean, this is just expansive. And this is just one floor.
Yeah, it goes up.
And up and up. Have you ever in your life
One person could do all this by hand. It's just unreal.
My Uncle Rodney was a truck driver for ABF until he retired. And he could build anything. He would look at some wood and he would see the potential. And every single thing that's put together in here, not one power tool was used. He did all the cutting, all the placing, everything by hand. I mean, just absolutely, the creativity for me is just amazing. And Vance and I promised my aunt that we would make sure that we would love and protect this place and protect this land the same way that he did. And that's a promise that we're going to keep. And we rescued animals on Saturday. And now we're going to have plenty of room across the road. We've got, it's over 3 acres.
We got 2 tulips too back there.
Yeah, we have a lot of cleaning out to do. He had so many ideas. But I mean, guys, this place is amazing.
I I mean, he's got all kinds of stairs and stuff, so it's a pretty neat place. I understand he built a tree house, I think in Mississippi, and the newspaper got a hold of it and did an article on it.
But we're looking at getting this done. We got hay barns. We've got barns for the animals.
Oh, I didn't show them the llamas. I didn't show you all the llamas. Yeah, we got 2 llamas. One of them. I think the other one might be in the shade. Yeah, the other one's laying down in the shade in there. That's the smart one. But yeah, the male llama's over friendly. You have to watch him. He likes to hug people. At least that's what we call it around here, for grandkids' reasons. But I don't know what y'all think about this pen. Leave me a comment, because nobody's leaving very many comments. I don't know why they're not. Anyway, put this pen over here and put up this fence, and we'll put a gate right here. And I got plenty of grass brought up here, and I figured they'll knock it down pretty quick. Hi, Mother. I'm going in. I'm just filming a little bit.
Alright.
Ask Mom where the baby pigs are. I'm going to show you my idea. We turned the heater on anyway. It's hot out here. I was going to start from this corner here. I was going to take out some of that section. Probably not all of it. Probably just a little section of it. You go all the way down to that end. Have this fenced in. That way we can run them back and forth if we wanted to. And we'll have all this. I got some cast iron bathtubs down here. I'm gonna put for watering troughs. And plus we got a water line over here across the road. We'll probably end up running the water line all the way down to the barn. But we may wait until it gets cooler to do that. I got some little flower tree there. I'd like to dig this up and replant it in the yard. I may try to pull it up with the tractor. And I think once I get the roots up, I think I can replant it. Clean all this up. Did she say where they were? Where?
They're in the fence behind the chicken house, behind that, under the tarps.
Oh, okay. That's why I didn't see them. But you know, this place is just awesome. Maddie's already said she's going to move up here.
Yep.
She's building she's going to build an apartment upstairs. We'll see. I may put her up for adoption.
No. You already adopted me. That can't happen. You've already signed the warranty on this thing.
Oh. How long was the warranty?
It's a permanent warranty.
Oh, I thought it was
It's extended.
I thought it was only 100,000 miles.
No. It's an extended warranty. You keep it forever.
Yeah, look at these huge windows. I'll be able to use them somewhere. We're excited.
I want to show them my house.
Okay. So Maddie's going to take the camera over and show you the house. Her little future apartment, maybe.
My apartment to be.
Yeah. She's going to have to take donations, I think.
Rude. Okay. Yep. Hello. I'm going to show you what is going to be my apartment. So. We're going to replace these stairs so that it's not as difficult to get up and not as dangerous. So. It's definitely a lot harder to get down than it is to get up. But. Nice little balcony area over here. And if you look that way, you can see the house. So I'll be able to see Mom and Dad. And like there's enough room for like kitchen, bathroom, maybe even a guest bedroom. There's lots of potential up here, and I am very much excited. It's gonna be great. Jeez, it's hot. It's like, last I checked was 93, but it feels like 104. So, yeah, very, very hot. But, let's see if I can show you guys a better view over here. I am.
So you got a solid step.
Yes, sir. Crazy to think that my Uncle Rodney built all this. He did all of this by hand, but could have a little art room, like a little art area, and that would be really cool. I draw all the time, but just I'm really excited. But I'm gonna go ahead and get down, give the camera back to Daddy. Because it's hot up here. Again, I am very, very excited about this though. Ooh. Swap hands. Oop. It is a lot harder to get down than it is to get up. Because there's a railing here. There's no railing here. So you really have to be careful. But yeah, I'm really excited. I know it's going to be a while before it's all ready and everything, but it's mine and that's what matters. Where are you at?
Over here.
There's like a little trail that my Uncle Rodney also did. Like he built a good walkway through here. Don't know why he did it, but he did. He's coming back. And yes, it's recording.
So leave Maddie a thumbs up or comment down there, see, give her some ideas on how to fix things up, and let her know how you like it, whatever. But yeah, it's got he sets this thing all the way in. I'd like to get the goats in there to clean up the underbrush for us.
I'm gonna head in.
Alright.
Love you.
Love you. This right here would make a good pig pen.
Yeah.
It's already fenced in. Figure out how to fill that up with water over there. They have room full. He had several places to go in it too. I mean, this guy, so I don't know how he did it all. Those stairs look pretty sturdy, but I'm scared of heights. I'll let somebody lighter go up there and test it out for me first. But I'm anxious to get all that wood out. And there's enough wood in here we could close this whole thing in. And that may have been his plan, was to use all this wood to close it all in. But he just never did it. But he's probably like me, only able to work for a certain amount of time during the day and he has to take a break. Yeah, we're gonna enjoy this. Y'all can follow us along on the videos and stuff. Be sure and watch them. If you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell, like the video.